Using LunchEAZE Core is super simple. There's only one main setting, and that is how many hours until you want to eat your food. So if right now it's 8 a.m. and my lunchtime is 12:30, I need to tell this unit that I want to eat in 4.5 hours. So let's go ahead and get started. When I turn the unit on, every time what it's going to ask me is how many hours there are until my mealtime. Like I said, I need to eat at 12:30, and right now it's 8 a.m. So I'm going to go ahead and set this to 4.5. I then press enter, and that green light goes from flashing to solid. If that green light is solid, this unit is now counting down. This number will decrease over time, and when this reaches 2.0, heating will start immediately. And that's it. That's all it takes to set your mealtime on a LunchEAZE Core. One thing to keep in mind is that because this countdown will start heating at 2.0, if you set this number to 2.0 to begin with, heating's gonna start right away. Let's demonstrate. I'm gonna edit this time by holding enter. And if I go down to 2.0 and press enter, heating will start right now. And then I won't be able to get to the other menus to adjust other settings. So keep that in mind if you're looking to adjust other options within your LunchEAZE Core. There are some other settings that we can adjust as well. Let's go ahead and check those out. I'm going to turn it on, and I'm going to set the time to anything that's not 2.0 so that the heating doesn't start right away. Press enter, and if I press enter again, I go to my max heat level setting. If I hold enter, the light starts flashing, and I can adjust it anywhere between 170 to 220 degrees Fahrenheit. I select my temperature and save it by pressing enter. This setting will be saved. Even if you turn the unit off and turn it back on, your food will always heat up to this maximum temperature. The next option is to start heat right away. In this mode, if I hold enter, heating will begin immediately. The last option is to check your battery level. If your battery is charged enough to properly heat your meal, the screen will say full. If the battery is not charged enough to properly heat your meal, the screen will say charge please. To factory reset your LunchEAZE Core, you simply hold the power button, keep the power button held, and then hold enter. The screen will say reset, and this unit will turn off. It has now been fully factory reset. Another option we have is to change Fahrenheit to Celsius. To do that, I press and hold the power button like I did before, and this time I hold up. The screen now says C, and this unit has now been moved into Celsius mode. To change it back into Fahrenheit, I turn it on, I press and hold the power button, and I press up to put it into Fahrenheit mode.